13th Street, in the median line, the man in the blue shirt is holding the sign. The sinners repent with a down-hearted trot. He says, believe me, brother, I'm speaking for God. The pyramid's eye says we trust. The Providence crawl, the New Order's rust. I know what you're thinking, the system is flawed. And how do we know who's speaking for God? Your cup runneth over, the child's got spilled. You left on a mission when the mall got built. Over there in the parking lot is where the live tree got sold. That was a serpent speaking for God. You're feeling special, it's looking like fame. Hearing your voices, naming your names. Bring back your Eden, lay down the sod. The men at the top always speaking for God. Holding up verses, laying on hands. Working on the building with the best made plans. Is the temple still standing? Is the guru a fraud? Everybody we know always speaking for God. They climb the granite, the workmen deceive. Outplaying the players, the seep of the lead. So far it's crickets, no blossoms, no rods. Still waiting to hear God speaking for God. Still waiting to hear God speaking for God. Still waiting to hear God speaking for God.